On this video, I'm going to introduce you to 3 influencers that you need to know. Coming up. Hi, this is Ernesto Verdugo, and I want to introduce you to 3 very interesting influencers. Now, this is an experiment because these influencers most likely do not know each other. 2 of them are from one country and the other one is from another country. And between the 3 of them, they have millions and millions of followers everywhere in social media. And my goal with this video is that they get to connect with each other. So let's just get started and let me introduce you to the first influencer.
Hi everyone, how are you doing? My name is Rehan Allahwala. I'm an entrepreneur since the age of 13.
So that was Rehan. Now you know Rehan Allahwalla, one of the most influential people in social media I know. If you are friends with Rehan, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and also make sure to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And if you have never met Rehan, please make sure to connect with him, because what's going to happen is you're going to see your audience growing like crazy. That is super interesting. So now let's go and meet our second influencer.
My name is Ava, and I am a travel vlogger. Over the last year, I traveled Pakistan far and wide, north to south and east to west. My videos and content about the country have garnered millions of views, but I'm not here to talk about myself today. Today, I'm here to talk about what I've seen of Pakistan and what I believe the future of Pakistan's tourism can be.
Well, that was Eva Sue Beck. And as you can see from that video, I mean, she's an incredible filmmaker. But not only that, she is an amazing speaker. Here she is speaking in TEDx Islamabad in Pakistan.
A few weeks ago, I got a chance to visit a place that not many Pakistanis and certainly not many foreigners ever get to see. Because of a documentary that I've been making about travel in Pakistan, I got a chance to travel to the formal tribal areas, right by the border with Afghanistan. The point of the scene that we were filming was to showcase or portray a jirga. I'm sure many of you know what that is. It's a traditional sort of tribal way of settling disputes on a local level.
What an amazing lady, isn't she? Make sure to connect with Eva, and make sure, if you're a friend of Eva, that you also connect with me. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and let's try to make sure that Eva and Rehan also connect with each other. So Rehan, meet Eva, Eva, meet Rehan. So why do I want Eva and Rehan to meet? Well, both of them are incredibly influential. Eva has an amazing YouTube channel that you have to subscribe. You can find her in Eva Sue Beck. She's an incredible travel blogger and her content is out of this world. And Rehan is another incredible influencer in that part of the world. Right now you can see here his channel. He has 154,000 subscribers, but that's not his strongest social media. If you actually follow Rehan and Rehan gives you a shout out, I can guarantee you that you're gonna increase your amount of followers like crazy. I mean, it is unbelievable. I became friends with Rehan about 10 years ago, and till this day, every day I get people asking to either friend me in Facebook or become my followers. So make sure that you connect with Rehan also on YouTube, and also you connect with Rehan Allahwalla in Facebook. And the reason why I want them to connect is because recently Rehan created a beautiful documentary on Pakistan. it's time that we go to our third influencer. Our third influencer is Tamoor Pardasi. And in the Urdu world, he's the absolute best online teacher, teaching anything that has to do with how to make money on the internet. Now, Rehan also has the Rehan School, and he's always looking for people to help people in Pakistan to grow their business. So please, Tamoor, if you're watching, please make sure to meet Rehan. Rehan, please meet Tamoor. Tamoor is an incredible influencer and a great teacher, even though I do not speak Urdu. So now you know 3 huge influencers in Pakistan. Another of the reasons why I wanted to do this video is I wanted to make sure that everybody watching this video knew that whatever the Western media says about Pakistan, it's a lot of BS. Pakistan, it's a beautiful country, as you were seeing on the video from Eva. People are super kind. The food is incredible. There's so much culture, and it's such an undiscovered world. I happen to be the 237 most traveled people in the world. I have been to Pakistan many times, to Lahore, to Islamabad, to Karachi, and they are absolutely amazing. So one of the things that I want to recommend is that you subscribe just underneath below to the channel of Tamoor, also to the channel of Eva, and also to the channel of Rehan. And if you're a friend of either one of these 3 influencers, please subscribe to my channel, because I know that they have so much power that they're gonna help me grow my subscribers.